Liao, Ayodorman Aquino Coronel Jr. 34, working as a VIP host, operation officer, Apalaxify, your King of the World Philippines, City of Davao.
Ryan Jasmin Villarao Reyes, 23. A freshman working student taking Bachelor of Science in Psychology, a calisthenic athlete, a representative and an advocate for PWD, your King of the World Philippines, Delfino Bano Isabela.
Christian Monteadora, 30 years old, a senior welfare advocate, online content creator, and professional model. Your King of the World Philippines, Las Piñas!
John Eric Kaligayahan, 27, a flight attendant and a private chef of my family. King of the World Philippines, Laguna Province. Malaga, 20, a barista and a chef. King of the World Philippines, Sena City.
Darin Marcelino, 23, an athlete, membership ambassador at Newport World Resorts, a model. Your King of the World Philippines, Malolos, Bulacan.
Lorenzo Banyas, 21, a physical therapy student and an athlete student. Your King of the World Philippines, Malitlit, Santa Rosa.
My name is Christian Quindosa, 22 years of age. A student, a leader in a church organization, and a model, an advocate of quality of fundamental education. Your King of the World City of Manila.
Marvin Manibo, 29 years old, a licensed mechanical engineer and a mental health advocate. Your King of the World Philippines, Province of Oriental Mindoro.
Mark Christian Gabriel, 22 years old, graduating as a management accountant, a passionate mental health advocate, a working student and ambassador and a model. From the rice growing capital of the Philippines, your King of the World Philippines, Nueva Ecija.
Name Bagaldo Kanyayo Amin. Carl Christian Nama, 24. BS Psychology graduate and a mental health advocate. Or King of the World Philippines, Province of Pangasinan.
Maya Pagkatpanabot, L1. Xavier Joe Zapata, 23, a culinary arts student and an entrepreneur. King of the World Philippines, Pampanga!
Jose Nathaniel Bautista, 24, an advocate of transparency and good governance, and a man driven by passion. Your King of the World Philippines, Pasig City.
Kelvin Medallo Capito, 24, graduated as a cum laude in BS Information Technology and a health advocate, and also a professional model. Your King of the World Philippines, Parañaque City.
Tino Olivares, an educator, print and TV commercial model, and a visual artist. Your King of the World Philippines, Quezon Province.
Edward Pante, 19, a youth advocate and a man of resilience. Taas do Rizaleño because I am your King of the World Philippines, Rizal Province.
Darren Dizon March, 25, a proud
graduate of Bachelor of Arts in Communication, and now a marketing associate at Goy Clark Casino. Your King of the World Philippines, Municipality of San Jose, from the province of Tarlac. John Paul Ramirez Juanillo, 29, HR Branch Manager and an Environmental Advocate, your King of the World Philippines, Quezon City.
Jimmy Dagon, 25, a fashion model, commercial model, a streamer, and a student. Your King of the World Philippines, Santa Rosa, Laguna.
James Brian Ramos, 19. Senior high school STEM student, your King of the World Philippines, San Pablo City.
King of the World Philippines, Subic Zambales.
Well, Dominguez Romeo, student and model. Your King of the World Philippines, Santa Cruz.
Gina Class, 27. A gym manager, an artist rapper. Your King of the World, Tuguegarao City.
John Alvin Apitan Mendoza, 24, architecture student, model, and travel consultant. Your King of the World Philippines, Tagkoyan, Quezon.
Broadcast Atenante, 22 years old, future educator, and a student athlete. The King of the World Philippines, province of Zambales.
General Tito, 19, a Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management student, and a proud Tamunense, your King of the World, province of Laguna!
Everybody, let's give a round of applause for our King of the World Philippines 2026 candidates. May I just say that this year is such a strong contenders. Right, judges, you would agree with me. And to tell you, everybody, this is already our third edition, and it keeps getting bigger, stronger, and more meaningful. Of course, behind the success is the owner, founder, president, producer, and the driving force of the King of the World Philippines, Meg Perez.